Hello, world. Welcome back to Not Just Candle Talk. Today's episode, we're going to get into crypto for small business and how entrepreneurs are using digital currency. All right, so let's get into it. Right now, businesses are turning to crypto for payment because it offers several advantages over traditional payment methods. And we're going to get into a couple of reasons why that is. All right, so let's get into it. Lower transaction fees. Okay. Credit card processing fees can range anywhere from 2 to 4%. And crypto fees are often lower, especially with certain blockchains. All right. Businesses save money on payment processing costs, especially with high volume sales. Okay. Faster transaction. Traditional banks, their transactions and transfers and credit card payments can take days to clear, especially if you're doing business internationally. Cryptocurrency, depending on the blockchain, it could take or process within minutes, even seconds. Okay. Oh, no chargebacks. Okay. Or fraud risks. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Okay. Unlike credit card payments, which can be disputed and or reversed, this protects businesses from chargeback fraud, which is commonly used in online retail. And then you have access to global markets. Okay, you can accept payments from anywhere in the world without worrying about currency, exchange rates, cross-border transaction fees. This is definitely beneficial for online businesses such as freelancers and e-commerce stores. All right. Then you have your independence, right? Some businesses, particularly in high-risk industries, they struggle with bank restrictions or high fees. Crypto provides an alternative payment without relying on banks. Okay, entrepreneurs in other countries, they don't have any issues using crypto to protect their earnings, especially the countries with unstable economies. Okay, then of course you have your added security. Enhanced security and transparency. Blockchain transactions are secure. They reduce the risk of payment fraud, hacking, which means businesses can have more control over their assets, of their funds. Okay. And then you have the growing customer demand, right? More customers are investing in and using crypto for everyday purchases. So accepting crypto attracts tech-savvy customer base and set businesses apart from competitors, right? That could be something that you can use in your business that sets you apart. If you're struggling with things that does set you apart in especially businesses that's overly saturated. Okay. So, businesses that's involved in digital assets, NFTs, blockchain services, they benefit from accepting crypto, right? The smart contracts allow businesses to automate payments, and that reduces administrative work when you have your payments on automatic with the smart contracts. While crypto payments offer many advantages, businesses may also consider challenges that might not be too good, but if you pay attention to them, you still can benefit. And some of those challenges might be the price velocity, the change in prices, some tax implications, and regulatory compliance. I think that's what right now in the economy, that's what the governments and stuff are working on. But, I think that really is not just crypto, but, that's something to pay attention to. Majority of the corporations, they're doing crypto payments. A few that I did some research on recently. Microsoft, they've been accepting crypto, Bitcoin for purchases in online stores, allowing customers to buy apps, games, digital content. AT&T, they accept cryptocurrency now. You can pay your bill with Bitcoin. And some e-commerce platforms, they are allowing merchants to accept crypto payments like Shopify, Overstock. They're allowing businesses to accept crypto, Bitcoin. And then you have your retail brands like Gucci. They are accepting crypto payments in select stores, and that's nice. Some of the entertainment and media, the ACM, I believe it's the ACM theaters, they're accepting Bitcoin now. If you want to do purchases for tickets online or at the concession stands and things like that. Express VPN, that's a service provider. They accept Bitcoin. Let's see, what else? Dish Network, they accept Bitcoin. So those are just a few businesses I did a little research on and found that they been doing business with businesses that use crypto. They've been doing that for years already. So it's nothing new. It's just, it's in the news a lot, but it's really nothing new. A lot of these businesses have been using it since cryptos come out in one way, shape, or form. So that's all I have with this particular episode. I just wanted to do a little episode about crypto because that is the big talk right now in the business world and finance, and want to at least touch on it a little bit. I'm going to do some more research, of course, because that's what I love to do. I'm going to do some more research and read a little bit more, and I will definitely do a part 2. It seems like all of my episodes now are leading into a part 2, which is awesome, because there are always more information and more things coming out as we evolve in business, entrepreneurship, and finance, all of that. So it's only right to do part 2s on a lot of these episodes. So for now, I'm going to say goodbye, and I will be back with more in-depth detail and probably more examples of businesses that have started using Bitcoin payment or cryptocurrency payments. And hopefully by the time I do my part 2, it'll be a lot more, and we'll be at a better understanding with our bank situation here in the U.S. All right. Anyway, so I don't want to get too political with it, but thank you again for listening, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, everyone. This is JJ, the co-founder of Good Pods. If you haven't heard of it yet, Good Pods is like Goodreads or Instagram, but for podcasts. It's new, it's social, it's different, and it's growing really fast. There are more than 2 million podcasts, and we know that it is impossible to figure out what to listen to. On Good Pods, you follow your friends and podcasters to see what they like. That is the #1 way to discover new shows and episodes. You can find Good Pods on the web or download the app. Happy listening.